Oh shit! What's going on, YouTube? So, wife asked me to run out to the store here real quick and grab some stuff. I hate jumping here on Easter Sunday. You know, if I had a choice, I would, I'd actually not shop on holidays, because, you know, I think these corporations really just need to give employees days off for holidays. But, anyways, while I'm doing this, I'm gonna see if I can get a good acceleration, a good hard pull for you guys. So, it looks good here. Let's do this. Well, I was an idiot. So I was just horsing around, and I was just gonna do a quick pull, and the light that we were coming up to ended up being red, so I ended up T-boning another car. Everybody's okay. Everybody's okay, but it's more so like my ego is hurt. Oh man. I don't know. I just gotta see what insurance says this coming up week, but I screwed up bad. Oh well. Anyways, guys, I just took a quick photo of the car while I was at the impound lot, and hopefully it's not totaled, but I don't know. It's my own screw up. I don't even know why I'm doing this. I'm not asking for sympathy or anything like that. And I full on admit it. I screwed up. I screwed up. Anyways, I'll give you guys updates when I figure something out.